understanding the phrase, leg ride, in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, leg ride. It might sound a bit unusual at first, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. So, let's dive in and explore together. Leg ride is a phrase that is not commonly used in everyday English conversations. It is actually a term borrowed from wrestling, a sport where two competitors try to gain control over each other. In wrestling, a leg ride refers to a situation where a wrestler uses their legs to control and dominate the opponent. It involves wrapping the legs around the opponent's body or limbs to gain leverage and restrict their movements. While leg ride originates from wrestling, it can sometimes be used metaphorically in everyday language. When used metaphorically, it can describe a situation where someone is being dominant or controlling in a relationship or interaction. For example, if someone says, "My boss is really giving me a leg ride," it means that their boss is being overly controlling or domineering. When using leg ride in a sentence, it's important to provide enough context for the listener to understand the metaphorical meaning. Here's an example. Ever since Jenna joined the project, she's been on a leg ride, trying to control every single aspect of the work. In this sentence, leg ride is used to convey that Jenna is being very controlling and dominant in the project. It's crucial to note that leg ride is not a widely recognized idiom or phrase in English, and using it might cause confusion among listeners who are not familiar with wrestling terminology or do not understand the metaphorical usage. Therefore, it's often better to choose a more commonly understood phrase or expression to convey the idea of dominance or control, such as micromanaging or being overbearing. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, leg ride. We hope this video has shed some light on this unique expression and how it can be used in English. Remember, clear communication is key, so always make sure your audience understands the phrases and idioms you use. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.